So all tick marks is resolved. And the last session I given, this is the example. Few people already did it. If you are didn't do this, please go ahead and complete it. This is a very good example to learn the new lead and lag function. Okay, this is one of the Amazon interview question. They are saying highest cost orders. Find the customers with the highest daily total order cost between these dates. So February, March, April, May, we have to pull the data for each customer, right? If customer had more than one order on a certain day, some of the orders cost on daily basis. We have to sum. If the customer is having 2 orders in a day, we have to sum those orders. Okay. So output their first name, total cost of their items, and the date. Only 3 they are expecting. Okay. So before start working on this, let me show expected output. Okay. So showing only one person name where he got the highest order value, we can say. Okay. So if you read carefully, find the customer. He's not asking customers, only customer with the highest daily total. Okay, between these dates. That's it. It's very simple. So for this right, we have 2 tables. One is customers table and one is order table. And the customer table, if you see, these are the columns and these are the data. Okay. The data is customer ID, first name, last name, city, address, phone number, etc. And coming to orders, if you see the orders, again, now order ID, customer ID, order date, order details, and cost. This is the cost column, and the final one is total order cost. Sorry, order. Total order only. Last one. If you see, this is the last one. Total order. Right. So if you again read this, it will be more clear. Okay. Find the customer with the highest total, with the highest daily total order cost between these dates, right? So what we will do, first of all, we will write one select star from total cost, and then order date. These are the columns. But if you observe, first column is from our customers table. Second column is from orders tables, right? So from customers, let us take alias as C. Okay. You can do left join or inner join. I'm taking inner join. Okay. Inner join, orders table, orders. Oh, we have to join, right? I'm joining on C dot ID is equal to O dot cust ID. This is the only one primary column, right? Okay. Now, if you run this, what we will get it? The problem. Oh, sorry, typo. Okay. So these are the 3 columns that they are asking, right? Okay. We'll go back to the column, statement again. Find the customer with the highest daily total order cost between these dates, right? So since they are given directly, we can use where class directly, right? So let me write where class, where what is this? This is a date, right? Order date, where order date between this and this. Okay. Now we incorporated this condition since they are asking. Okay. So what we have to do next? Highest daily total order, right? Let me take this code out right here. Okay, it's very clear. Now, what I will do, we have to do some, right? Why I'm doing some? Because let us say only one customer is having two bills in the same day, then we have to submit, right? Because that's what they are asking. That's what they are asking. Okay. If the customer had more than one order on a certain day, some of the orders cost on daily basis. Okay. So clearly they are saying, right? We have to do some if there are any more than one order in a day for particular customer, right? So once we are doing sum here, we have to do group by. Okay, group by first name. Group by first name, comma, order date. Right. So we'll check it. Okay. Date must maybe single quotes. We run it. See, if you see here, the ZIL is having 275 as a total order cost, and this is the date, right? So indirectly, we want only this record because other records are less than 275 from this list. So easily we can able to identify the answer like this is the first record which we require, right? So again, if you understand, we are very close to answer, but only one challenge is, let us say this person or any other person is also having the same 275. Guys, don't write anything in the screen. Okay, if let us assume that there is a William is there. William is also having 275. Okay, in that case our output may be two records, right? Correct. So we should not use max in that case, but for this case we may use max, but strongly recommending you to don't use that. Better go for window functions. Okay, in this scenario. Okay, so simply based on the total order cost, we have to pull the record, right? That means again the same rank order by this column, right? We no need to bother about these and these. Okay, let me write again. Rank. Now I'm using just rank over. I'm not using partition by because I don't require it all. Order by what? Order by this value, right? This column, right? And descending rank. Hope you understand why I'm taking some of this column here, because if you see on this column only we have to do rank function, right? I don't want to use on a raw data. Okay, that is the reason I used complete column here. Okay, complete column here. So we used it. What next? So if you state away, if you run this, what will happen? If you run this, again, see this. Okay, we are not taking. Okay, rank is there. See here, the rank one. it's given rank 1 for the highest one, right? So now our task is very easy. Based on the where condition, where rank is equal to 1, then that's it. We are done, correct? So simply what we can do, let's assume this is now this is how we have to write a subquery. Okay, first you have to write a subquery, then come to main query. Okay, now simply what I can do, sub, I will give the name as sub. This is a sub. Now write whatever you want. Okay, select. We need only 3 columns right here. Let me give an alias same. Okay. Yeah. Now these 3 only they are asking, and where condition we have to write, where rank is equal to 1. That's it. So assume this is a subset of other data set, and out of this data set we require this data. Okay, let me execute it. See here. Now we pick the top highest total order cost and its first name and order date. So this is what they're expecting, right? See here, the output. See output is, this is what they are expecting, and we are also showing the same, right? And the thing is, many people will write this query in many ways. Okay, we can write this query many ways, but we have to choose most optimized way, because in a real time, right, it will it won't take much resources to execute this query, and it is very easy to understand if anybody comes in and see this code, and for debugging purposes it is very useful. Okay, so guys, I think hope you understood what I'm saying, and the 2 use cases that we just now discussed. Is it clear, this example, second example for you?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
So yeah, see, by seeing this may looks easy, but I request you to please practice yourself. Okay, guys, I think time up. Thanks for joining. We'll discuss next topic in our next class. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.